Color 8 weather now update. Very stormy and rainy weekend is going to come to an end. There's a slight chance we'll get a few scattered showers today as the system is swirling into Montana. It's going to kick off a few isolated rain showers, but we're going to start to clear out by later on tonight, and then a very dry pattern sets up basically for the rest of the week. So today fog will be a concern into the early morning hours into the eastern plains. Otherwise, we're going to keep it on the cool side. Upper 70s, a few low 80s tonight. Everything clears out. Looks like a very quiet evening. 40s and 50s, so it's going to get a little bit cool to start the day. And then we're going to return back to the 70s and a few mid-80s. Plenty of sunshine tomorrow, and then it's just going to be nice and sunny through the middle of the week. Temperatures going to stay in the mid to low 80s. Monsoonal moisture will return by the end of the week, so we expect a few showers and isolated thunderstorms Friday and again on Saturday.